Innovation and creativity have been the engines driving business success throughout history. Have you ever wondered how humanity constantly redefines its boundaries through innovative leaps? The capacity to introduce novel approaches has transformed industries time and again. Artificial intelligence has seamlessly integrated into business operations in recent years, elevating productivity and efficiency. Europe has been at the forefront of industrial innovation for centuries. From the steam engines of the Industrial Revolution to the advanced machinery of the 20th century, Europe's manufacturing sector has been a global leader. According to Eurostat, manufacturing accounted for approximately 16% of the European Union's GDP in 2022, employing 29.5 million people. However, the world is changing rapidly. AI is redefining industries globally. Estimates suggest that AI could add 2.7 trillion euros to Europe's economy by 2030. Yet, despite this potential, Europe risks falling behind in the AI race. While the USA and China invested approximately 10 billion euros and 6.8 billion euros, respectively, in AI startups in 2021, Europe's investment was around 3.2 billion euros. The opportunity is immense, but so is the challenge. It is imperative to understand the transformative benefits AI brings to industry and manufacturing. AI-driven automation can increase manufacturing productivity by up to 25%, according to a study by McKinsey & Company. Optimizing production processes and minimizing errors allows companies to achieve increased output with existing resources. Implementing AI for equipment monitoring can reduce breakdowns by 70% and lower maintenance costs by 25%. AI-powered visual inspection systems can detect defects with over 90% accuracy, surpassing human inspection capabilities and reducing waste. AI can improve supply chain efficiency by up to 15%, reducing logistics costs and delivery times. Despite the clear advantages, European industries face significant challenges in AI adoption. In 2021, the USA and China accounted for approximately 80% of global AI private investment, while Europe lagged with around 7%. This investment disparity affects the development and scaling of AI technologies within European industries. Europe faces a shortage of AI specialists. According to the European Commission, there are only about 200,000 AI professionals in Europe, compared to over 850,000 in the USA. While Europe produces high-quality AI research, it struggles to commercialize these innovations. The European Union's Joint Research Centre noted that Europe accounts for 25% of global AI research papers, but lags in patents and market-ready solutions. Without addressing these challenges, Europe risks falling further behind. The World Intellectual Property Organization reported that China filed over 389,000 AI-related patents between 2010 and 2019, compared to Europe's 80,000. One area that Europe is leading on is developing ethical frameworks for AI. Proposed in 2021, the EU AI Act aims to ensure AI systems are safe, transparent, and respect fundamental rights. The General Data Protection Regulation sets high standards for data privacy, a critical component in AI development and deployment. These regulations can become competitive advantages by building trust with consumers and global partners. A survey by Edelman found that 62% of consumers are more likely to support companies that protect their data and use AI ethically. However, there is a balance to strike. Over-regulation may stifle innovation if not implemented carefully. Collaboration between regulators, industry, and academia is essential to create a responsible environment for AI advancement. Cybersecurity is a global critical concern. The European Union Agency for Cybersecurity reported a 72% increase in supply chain attacks in 2021. Cyber attacks cost European businesses an estimated 60 billion euros annually. A significant breach can disrupt operations, damage reputation, and result in the regulatory penalties. AI can enhance security. Machine learning algorithms detect anomalies and respond to threats faster than traditional systems. To capitalize on AI's potential, European industries must encourage public and private investment in AI startups and scale-ups. The European Investment Fund has initiated funding programs. Invest in education and training to build a skilled workforce. Initiatives like the European Skills Agenda aim to upskill 120 million Europeans by 2025. Create clusters and hubs where academia, industry, and startups collaborate. Engage in international partnerships to share knowledge and resources. Horizon Europe, with a budget of 95.5 billion euros, supports research and innovation collaborations. AI presents a crucial opportunity for Europe's industry and manufacturing sectors. The benefits are clear, but so are the challenges. European industries can achieve the status of a leading force in the global AI domain by addressing current deficiencies, investing strategically, and prioritizing responsible innovation. The path forward requires collective effort, strategic vision, and decisive action. The time to act is now, to secure a prosperous future for European industries and society at large.